Red hot chili peppers. Activate. Now.
JP Chevy.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, man. Say, man. With the Trailblazer in the background, man. Squad. Yes, sir, man. As y'all see, man, I'm over here at the used car section. Mr. Black, man. Mr. Black. Right there in that office there. Dodge. Black Dodge. Down there, you know what I'm saying? But today, man, and I'm in a whole better mood, you know what I'm saying? I feel a whole lot better, man. I think I had like a stomach bug or something. Had me down, but like I say, grind don't stop. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, the first time coming onto my channel, man, welcome to my channel, JP Chevy. And I was a little down when I was talking about trying to sell my baby over there, red hot chili peppers, man. I wasn't feeling too good, had a little stomach bug or whatever, but I'm feeling a whole lot better. But got the little mini Camaro right here, man. Little mini Camaro right here. That's what a lot of people call it, man. And it actually does kind of remind you of that, like a little mini Camaro type. You know what I'm saying? It just don't have that power. It would be nice if Chevy would make an SS of the new type Trailblazer. You know what I'm saying? You know, that would be super dope, man. That would be super dope, man. Well, I got the camera on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Got to push the start up there at the top beside the radio. Radio is touchscreen. Look like it's about a 5-inch, maybe. Do have a panorama roof on this Blazer. And as you seen, man, it's a Premier, man. It's a Premier. So with the Premier, you get the top of the line on the move. You know what I'm saying? Premier in high country, anytime you get one of those in Chevy, you're getting the top of the line. You heard me? Ain't gonna be no cap with it, man. See, you got the backup camera right there, man. You know what I'm saying? You can back up. Got your also got your back windshield wiper on the back side. Over here on the business side, man. Over here on the business side, they got the sticker, man. As y'all can see, man, 2019, as y'all seen from on the front of the windshield, 2019. 3.6 liter, man. Got a V6 up in this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? 3.6 liter, fuel injected, man. Nine speed training. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty good, man. That's a lot of gears, man, for this type of SUV. 9 gears, man. Shoot, I'm 10, and this 9's ain't number one away. You know what I'm saying? As y'all know, the Camaro has the same. Yeah. So that's why they call it like the mini Camaro. You know what I'm saying? Because it's got the same air conditioning as the Camaro does. You can turn the knob and everything the same as the Camaro. Let's see if I can zoom in. See if I can. You know what I'm saying? Do my best. There's the knob. Shift the knob. Can't quite see it, man. I tried, man, but you can't really. Okay, there it is right there. You see how it's got the knobs where you can turn the heat and cool. You can barely see it, but you can see it. You know what I'm saying? But the Camaro has the same as well, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure, man. It's got like I'm about to say metal. It's got leather on the outer skirts of the seats. You know what I'm saying? And then cloth in the middle of the seats. You know what I'm saying? So super dope, man. It's dirty, but you clean that junks up, man, this thing can really flake out because this is like the metallic. It's like a metallic color here. It's like real nice when the sun hit it, man. Got about, what's that is, 21s on the back here. And I think 21s on the front. Should be, yeah. So working with 21s, which that will cost you. Yeah, because the odd numbers cost more than the even numbers. You know what I'm saying? Odd treaded tires, it costs more than the even treaded tires. Oh, let me get out the way before I get here. Come on up in there, brother. But yeah, costs more than the even treaded tires, man. You got your dual exhaust, man. I like how it's got the back on there right there on the back of the moot. You know what I'm saying? The little circles on the mufflers. That's pretty dope, man. It's pretty dope, man. Pretty dope Trailblazer, man. Like I say, 2019, very legit, man. Very legit. Can't go wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? I noticed the valve caps. Yeah, so I like that there on the valve caps there. Pretty dope, man. You got your what's the name? Your side motion detectors. You know what I'm saying? When you about to get over and stuff. Also got your side turning signals on the mirror here on the moot. Let me see. Look like, yeah, two row seat. I mean, excuse me, one row, one back seat. Yeah, one back seat. Yeah, okay. Real nice, man. Got the brown stitching in there on it. I see that there, brown stitching on the steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? Anybody interested though, man, it's down here at Black's Statesville, man. Statesville, Black's used car, Black Buick, 2019 right here with the metallic gray. So it's like I say, when the sun hit it, man, it really popped. But right now, it need a little bit of cleaning, man. I can't hate because mine need a little bit of cleaning. It look like it's clean. It ain't clean though, man. You know what I'm saying? But hey, yo, man, it's JP Chevy. I ain't got to say no more because the outro gonna let you know. But I have brought a Chevy to y'all, man. That's hey, man, run the outro. Tell them about it. That premiere though.
But I don't know how you do it. Don't know how you do it, man. I mean, dudes get it.
Yo, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, click that bell so you can be notified every time that I upload.